In this video, I'm going to show you how to blur a face in Adobe Premiere Pro. So to go and censor or blur out someone's face, the first thing we need to do is go and make sure you have your video in the timeline, and then we're going to come down to this Effects tab in the bottom window. Now, if you don't see this, just click on Window in the top navigation and make sure you have Effects checked like this. Now, using the search box next to Effects, go and type in the word blur, and we're going to scroll down until you see the Gaussian blur, which is this one here, and we're going to drag this onto the video clip like so. Now, in the effect controls in the top left-hand side, we're going to scroll down this list until you find the Gaussian blur. Now click on the drop down arrow next to it, and the first thing we need to do is go and create the points of where we want this blur effect to be applied. So because a face is typically circular, you could just go and use the create ellipse mask tool, but if you want something a little bit more accurate, you can use this free draw bezier and you can go and select the points where you want to create the blur. Now I'm just going to be using the circular blur like this, and then you can go in, reposition and resize this over the face. So I'm just going to adjust these points here so it fits the face like so. So once you've created your mask, we then need to make sure the playhead is right at the beginning of this video clip like so. And then we're going to click on the toolbar next to mask path and make sure preview is turned on like this. Now what you can do is click on this play button and it's going to track the face as it moves throughout the video clip. So once that's finished, we're going to scroll down to the blurriness and we're just going to increase this to 100%. And you may also want to increase the mask feather as well. Sometimes this can make it look a lot more natural. And then you can go and play your video back like so. And as you can see, this blur effect is now following the face and we've now completely censored this person. Now, if you notice any parts of your video where this tracking hasn't tracked it properly, you can always just move the playhead to that particular point and you can click on the play button again to go and retrack it from that particular moment. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.